So I wanted to show off this is the Giraffe Tools Grandfalls pressure washer, and this is the 2900 PSI 2.2 gallons per minute. Giraffe Tools provided this to me, but the views in the video are my own. Now I wanted to show you what I liked about it. One of the things I loved about it, it was almost all way assembled when I got it. I didn't have to like build this reel. The hose was already wrapped on that high pressure hose. I had to connect the pieces to the gun on there. It does come with a foam cannon here. You see the tips. It's got 4 tips and they store on the handle. And probably the biggest part about assembly, if you want to do this, is it does come with a metal bracket back here that I've screwed to the wall. It provides you with the screws that you need, and I've screwed it to the wall so that you can mount it on the wall. Now one of the things that's also cool about this, one is a 100-foot hose, which is great, and then it is self-winding, so I can pull it out and it'll lock in place, but then if I just give it a little tug, it's going to wind itself back up. So I really like that. I've got the water connected to it. Now I'm going to turn it on. It's just got a little dial switch, and we're going to give it a demonstration here in this video. Now what I love again is having 100 feet of hose that I can pull out here. So I'll pull it out, and I'm just going to demonstrate by washing off this machine. Again, 2900 PSI, and I've got the yellow tip on here right now. See, And when I'm done with it, I want to shut the water off and get the water out of this hose before you just give a little pull, and then it'll start to self-wind back in, which is great. And you can keep it aligned on here. I love the convenience of it, just having it wall mounted out here and can ready to go when I need it. It was very easy, and I think a good power for things like cleaning off a car or washing off a lawnmower, things of that nature. I think it's adequate power for that. So I hope this video has been helpful in showing you more about